Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we're going to be colouring in this parrot that I drew over for Instagram. If you're following me there, you'll see it. The more subscribers I get here, the more chances of me doing shout-outs for all of you lovely subscribers. I really am so pleased that you follow me and engage with my work. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Today's shout out will come at the end of the video, so stay tuned. We're going to go into a time lapse. To create this, I've used standard children's gouache paint by Maped, and they're called Colour Peps, and it's regular gouache, but it's much better than the brands I've used before. When they've dried, they've cracked and they've not been very good. These are much better. When dry, they are a little bit, you can feel maybe, it's rougher, like regular paint when it's dry, but nothing comes off on your hands and there is no cracking. You can use them thick or diluted like watercolour. And this is what it looks like when completed. Thanks for watching. Bye. Today's shout out goes to One Mighty R.